to show you how to make a cool intro and outro on Canva. So, an easy way to do it is to go to this button that says Design. Then you can see lots of different cool templates to choose from. Go to Intro, and you'll see lots of different intros to choose from. Click on the one you want. And if you want to change the template style, go right ahead. You see this here? Change that to your channel name. Okie dokie. Now, if you want, you can add music. You can upload your own music, or you can choose the ones here. I like the sound of this one. Crop it the way you like. Here, you have your intro. Now, I can show you how to make one without using a template. So you can upload your own thing again, but I'm just going to use elements for now. I'm not good at drawing. But anyways, go ahead and pick the elements and stuff you want. I think what I'm going to use is a jaguar. I love these animals. You can go to animate and animate your thing. Okay, I'm going to add speech bubble. But remember, guys, you don't have to do what I'm doing. And no, I'm not using this intro from my channel. This is just an example. Okay, you add your text. Alrighty. And you can upload your own music or just use the ones from here. There's this thing called Canva Pro that you can upgrade to, but I'm not paying any money right now. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You can change the background color. Welcome to Enon. Let's have fun, rawr. But yeah, that's how to make an intro. Now we're going to do an outro. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete these. Okie dokie. Outro. Go ahead and change any text as you want to. And go ahead and add the music that you want. Okay, that's how you make an outro with a template. Now, using your own stuff. Add any text that you want to add. Ignore that notification. Thanks for watching. like and subscribe. Rawr. Oh, almost forgot the music. Remember, you don't have to add music, but I recommend if you want to make your thing extra good. Oops, I just noticed a mistake. Hold on, let me fix that. If your music isn't long enough, you can do that. Okie dokie. And there we have it. How to make a cool intro and outro on Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. And thanks for watching. Also, sorry I haven't uploaded like 5 months. Yeah, I totally forgot about this channel, but I recently found out about it again, and yeah. Also, your first time hearing my voice. Forgot to mention that at the beginning. Anyways, bye.